हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। ये जो वीडियो है, आज का जो है टॉपिक, हाउ टू मैनेज बोर्ड्स एंड जेई प्रिपरेशन। ये अक्सर 90% बच्चे में एक प्रॉब्लम आता है कि मैं दोनों को साइमल्टेनियसली हाउ टू मैनेज दैट टू preparations, board preparation as well as JEE preparation. First, most important part, juggling between the preparations of boards and JEE is often a daunting task, and boards are the subject knowledge based on the NCRT textbooks to competency based questions in the form of multiple choice questions MCQ. Now, in case of mathematics in 11, 12, there are 20 questions in the section A in the MCQ. And also section E contains the case-based questions, source-based integrated questions or any other types, objective type questions and short answer, long answer questions. Section B, C, D also contain 2 mark, 3 mark and 5 marks also. And but JEE mostly the conceptual understanding and application based skills through the MCQ and numerical based questions. Hence, preparing simultaneously are the two exams needs to be done methodically and meritoriously, most importantly. Here, how you can maintain the right balance between the JEE preparation and also the board examinations. First, you should know the exam pattern and the syllabus of the boards and also JEE. Boards and JEE follows different exam patterns nowadays. From the year 2019 COVID onwards, JEE syllabus and board syllabus quite different. Before that, the year of 2017 and 13, in that years, JEE syllabus and board syllabus both are इक्वल, मोस्टली इक्वल टू इच अदर. इसमें से कुछ पार्ट्स नहीं था, कुछ पार्ट्स था. जस्ट लाइक द इन केस ऑफ लिमिट्स, we can use L'Hopital rules in the J, but in case of boards we cannot use in that time. And also Leibniz theorem, one question in the second year mathematics book, one Leibniz theorem is there, but it is not mentioned that is the Leibniz theorem. But nowadays it is purely deleted and it is purely uh, in the syllabus of the JEE. JEE Main and also JEE Advanced is the totally different syllabus. Syllabus has all books content also different. In that period, some it have some chapters, height and distance, it is the most important chapter. And also the mathematical reasoning also there, that are deleted. Okay. So that chapter very easy chapter and a 10th class chapter, and it also contains some questions. Very importantly, it is very scoring chapters. Okay, now it is deleted. First of all, you should know the exam pattern and syllabus of the boards and JEE. First, you have to thoroughly understand the questions paper pattern also. For JEE, you need strengthen your conceptual and application based knowledge. Whenever we study a formula and supposed to be distance formula, a simple example is the distance formula in the coordinate geometry. How this formula arises, what is the proofs behind this, and how we should apply it in a questions. But it is not the exactly, it is not applied in the questions. It is a very conceptual question contains the distance formula. Okay. And also for boards, you need to focus on the theoretical knowledge. Additionally, while JEE covers both 11th and 12th syllabus, but boards cover only the class syllabus of the 12th syllabus. Unlike the JEE has no negative marking in the boards. Moreover, while boards are conducted in offline mode and JEE is conducted also in the computer-based test. First of all, you have to know the syllabus, know the boards, and know the exam pattern, then go ahead. Second is the focus on the fundamentals and solve the numerical problems. Secondly, we have to strong fundamentals are the key to success in boards, both boards and as well as in JEE preparation. Okay, while and basic concepts of every topic remain the same. While the preparing for your boards, focus on the understanding of the concepts and the solve a lot of questions and numerical problems on the same. This approach will help you to simultaneously prepare for JEE. But in case of JEE, sometimes mostly 50% to 40% questions also contains more than two concept, more than two chapters concept concentrated on a questions on the JEE. But in case of the boards, such questions are not coming. Two chapters concept merge in a single questions, it is not coming like that. Then NCERT textbook is the most fundamental tools. NCERT textbook also plays an important role in preparation for the both boards and JEE also, and bridging the gap between the fundamentals and the tricky questions. NCERT books, and NCERT books means NCERT textbook and exemplar. In 9 class, 10 class, 11 class and 12 class, exemplar is most important book for the board as well as JEE preparation. And also carefully go through the NCERT textbooks for at least 4 to 5 times, including all the examples, questions, and exercise. For the better in the board examination, you have to at least complete it 4 to 5 times without leaving a single examples or an exercise problems. For JEE, you should refer to the comprehensive study material, means some of the students can start from a basic book. Just like the in coordinate geometry, you can use the SL learning. And some selected problems also, some selected problems of the SL learning are placed in all the study material of the all the coaching centers. I think that so, just like the Hall and Nights. Nowadays, so many series are there. Book series also available in the market. Cengage series also 5 books of the series. Another is the Arihan series also there. 5 books also in mathematics, coordinate geometry, calculus, algebra, vector 3D, and also uh, another is the vector 3D and also coordinate geometry. Okay, coordinate geometry, trigonometry. So these books can be used, or sometimes you can use the for the algebra it is Holland Knight and also SL Loni for coordinate geometry and trigonometry. It is the very best book and also very cost effective. Also economically you can buy it, and also subject matter experts that empowers you with an depth understanding of all crucial topics from various subjects to help you stay ahead of the curve. Most important part, you have to select such type of teachers to teach you for the subject that teachers have the depth knowledge of that subject. Sometimes it is very crucial to find a teacher in the local coachings, such a local area, urban area, or rural area. It is mostly no. You have to use the some basic books, and then basic books means some advanced books also you can use the Cengage and also use the Aryan series. Then also it is important to solve some basic type book S. L. Loni, I. A. Maran in calculus, G. N. Borman in calculus. These are the very classic books. I think that's so. But nowadays in our period, J IIT JEE also write the questions or setting the question papers in that level. Now the level increases. Okay. Due to some other reason, the world is growing very rapidly in technology and also in study matter, education sector. So that's why the questions level is little bit difficult and high also. And these books are very basic books nowadays. Then you should go further, solve previous year papers. Everyone should have 49 years of the JEE advanced questions and also 2002 till 2026. It is 26 years question paper you can use. First of all, how to study simultaneously. It is the most crucial part. First, you start the chapter from NCERT, do all examples, then go to exercise, then go to the exemplar problems, short questions, MCQ, and so long questions, short questions, etc. Then to start the questions paper of the previous year question paper. Supposed to be how to start and where to start in our period. Some PYQ questions bank are the year wise there. Supposed to be I am preparing at the year of the 1999. So in that time, the previous year question paper also contains also some coachings are there. In that time, very famous coaching is the Bansal classes and Brilliant classes, Brilliant tutorial from Chennai. So they are sending the question paper year wise. That was the very important topic. But now it is the PYQ available in the chapter wise. There is very good things, but some problem is that which year we should start. We should start from the JEE main questions, means it is the 2000, 2005, 2007, and also the IIT JEE papers of the 1980, 81, 82, 83. That old, very old papers. Also, they are very classical in nature. Nowadays, also asking the questions, JEE Main asking the questions from last 1982, 83, 85, 92 questions. That are the very important questions also. So you have to start from the older questions first. Then you should go time to time. You should increase your level of difficulty, and then lastly you should solve the 2026 5 years paper rigorously. You should be solved. Then, and most important, for the boards also you have to suppose 10 regions questions in a 1 year. CBSE also from the 10 questions, 10 question set papers. Okay, so you have to attend all the 10 papers. It is available in the CBSE website also. You can download and print it and also solve the questions. You finish the chapter, then go for the CBSE annual paper. Okay, then you should shift towards the JEE preparation. And also, when you solve most important part supposed to be you are starting from the 81 paper, 1981 IIT paper. Then you should go for the 82, 83, 97, 99, 2000, 2015, and also find a common trend in the questions, how the difficulty level gradually increases. After 2017 to 19, the math paper is quite difficult. After 17, 19, the question standard is maintained. Difficulty level is there. But this year, JEE Main questions in the January session, it is doable nature. Okay. So some topics are common to boards and JEE, and make a note, start preparing these chapters first. And also most hot topics you have to uh, discussed or thoroughly should be just like the complex number, definite integration, area under the curve. These are the limit questions. These are the very important chapters in calculus and also algebra. In binomial theorem, you have to find the common trends, how the questions difficulty level or increases or decreases. Then most important part is that plan well. Each individual, each student also prepare a proper plan. In our time, I have a plan. My friends also have a plan. Both are competing in a class, but our plan is different. Proper planning is imperative to succeed in both boards and JEE. Prepare a timetable, not teach it in the dramatic way. Some students are preparing a timetable. I should give up the bed at 5 a.m. and next after 2 days, he or she should give up the bed at 7 a.m. So it is dramatic way. So prepare a proper timetable, divide your time judiciously, and also for the preparation of both JEE and boards. When I revise for the boards, when I revise for the JEE, okay. And while preparing for the boards, make sure you strengthen your concept of the topics. It will help you immensely for JEE. A timetable is not only helps uh, maintaining a good study routine, but also helps you to track and complete revision in time also. Most of the important lack in the students that they could not complete the syllabus, 11 class syllabus properly. Nowadays, it is very, very important. Most of the student cannot complete their syllabus in time, and also leaving some chapters. It is a very psychologically, it will be pressurize themselves also, that I am not completing this chapter. What happens in 12? What happens in my JEE? It is most important. So, lastly, practice writing answer for boards. Nowadays, most of the students are taking the dummy schools. I am not preference on dummy schools, because most of the dummy school students are not sitting in the half yearly exam, annual exam, and also unit exam. So they have no practice on the board papers, and they are always practicing the JEE questions. So how to write the correct answer in long questions, in short answer type, 2 mark question, 3 mark questions, where I should go to wrong, they are not capable to detect that. So after all, the percentage should be very low. मैं ये भी देखा हूं बहुत सारे बच्चे डॉमी में they are preparing for JEE Main and also got qualified for JEE, but they are not able to attend the 75% in the physics, chemistry, math, and also English. They are not meeting that eligibility criteria, and they are going to the state level government colleges, or they are preparing for the repeat exam. There is the most important problem is that practice the writing answer for the boards. This is the most important part if you are taking DOMI schools. And also, it is important to join a regular classroom courses also, because it is important for the your future aspects. If you are not able to crack JEE, there is no problem. You can crack Niger, IGER, ISI, CMI. So many examination, national examination are there. Okay, I hope this video will help most of the students. Now they are writing their 10th board examination, especially for them, and also those who are also passed or promoted to the class 12, how to manage their board preparation as well as the JEE preparation simultaneously. Again, request to all the students and also the community, those who are watching my videos, please subscribe and also like. Thank you.